Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question is the value of x for which the angle between the vectors a vector minus 3 I cap plus x j cap plus k cap and b vector is acute. So first of all we have given that a vector is equals to minus 3 I cap plus x j cap plus k cap and b vector is equals to x I cap plus 2x cap 2x j cap plus k cap, and it is given that angle between both of them are acute. So let the angle between them is going to be alpha theta. So we know that cos theta, that theta is lies between acute, so theta should be lie between 0 to pi by 2. Now for this we know that in case of 0 to pi by 2 cos theta is greater than 0. So cos theta 0 से बड़ा है तो cos theta is the angle between them, so which is equals to a dot b upon mod a into mod b. Now अपन जब इन दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे तो व्हाट वी गॉट माइनस 3x प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाय mod a. Mod a is root of 3 square is 9 plus x square plus 1 into mod of x is x square plus 4x square plus 1. So this is the value we got in cos theta, और now that is given as greater than 0. Now we know that जो mod के अंदर की quantity is always going to be positive. Now जो depend करेगा वो सिर्फ ये है कि 2x square minus 3x plus 1 should be greater than 0. Now if we split it, we got this. Now this is going to be greater than 0. For this, just take 2x common, then we got x minus 1 here, and just plus 1 minus 1 common, we got x minus 1 here, and this should be greater than 0. Now for this we got 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 is greater than 0. Now just put that on the wavy curve. We have the different point of 1 and 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 and this is 1, which is the root. Now from plus, minus and plus we have to take that greater quantity. For greater quantity the thing is minus infinity to 1 by 2 union 1 to infinity. Okay. Now the second condition is that the angle between b and x. This is for only first condition. Now it is given that the angle between b vector and x axis lies between. Okay, so unit vector along x axis is I cap. Okay, so this is going to be I cap, और इनके बीच में जो एंगल है वो लाई करता है पाई बाय 2 से पाई. Okay, for this further we take that the theta should be lies between pi and pi by 2. Now for this we know that cos theta is going to be smaller than 0, which is negative. So just what is the angle cos theta dot I cap upon mod b into mod I. Now b dot I, we have I cap only, so in b vector जो I वाला component सिर्फ उससे multiply होगा, which is going to be x. So here x divide by root of x square plus 2x square plus 1, which is equals to 4x square plus 1 into 1 is smaller than 0. This is always greater than 0. Now this is always positive, so from here we got that x should be smaller than 0, and we have condition number 2 is this. Now just comparing condition 1 and condition 2. So the condition 1 is this. Now x should be greater than 0. So for here we just get that by taking the intersection of 1 and 2, we see that this is always not true. X should be smaller than 0. Okay, now x should be smaller than 0, and this is always going to be false because this is always greater than from 1, and this is lies. So we from this we get that x should be smaller than 0, or the intersection is minus infinite to 0. So this is going to answer. So for this, B is the only correct answer. Thank you, students.